is Dr. R. Vijay Saraswati, founder of VIBES, Vijaya's International Brain Enriching Systems. I've been doing research in this field for the last 20 years and I've come up with a memory filing system where you can take 1000 numbers, put it in the board, and in a jiffy I can give it back to you. So this has been a time-tested method where we teach children to elevate to the next level. Our mission is to empower youth and children with least possible time with best possible international methodologies where their learning time can be considerably concised and their information observation can be taken for a future purpose. So I'm super excited to release this Brain Power app, and now this is available on Play Store called VIBES.
VIBES. It is available on Google Play Store, Android Play Store. So the address of the app is com.app.vibesapp, which is live now. With VIBES app, we are giving this trial version of this app for 29 days, and from the 30th day the full version will be available on the app. And second point, ChatBars. ChatBars is already available on Play Store. Address for ChatBars app is com.app.chatbars. Both the apps are live. I request you people to please download, give us 5 stars if you like the app. If you don't like the app, give us 4 stars. Thank you, sir.
VIBES is supported by St. Mother Teresa University for Digital Education Excellence and Sustainability Development. We are accredited by JBR Harvard USA and affiliated to Cambridge Distance School of Education, UK. So after every module is 30 minutes, you will be having an assessment, and after assessment you will have an international certification on completion. So we will do what it takes to ensure learning comes from anywhere, everywhere. Like Nandan Nilekani said, we are living in a flat world and virtual reality will be supported with actual classes from actual mentors in this field. So let's make learning amazing and keep learning and make it fun. Let's learn, unlearn and relearn. Thank you so much. God bless you.
We'll be launching the Quran Android app that is on April 2nd week of Ramzan. Launching an app of Y1 Edu Solutions for that ethical paper. It will be on March 2021 of this year.
A very good afternoon to one and all, and happy Valentine Day. I'm partnering with Y1 India from Lumiere India. I'm a founder and chairperson of Lumiere India. From Y1 we also provide counseling, and I strongly recommend counseling for all the students and for parents and for general public as well. In counseling we also provide career counseling, which will benefit the students to choose a career precisely. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Lata Murthy and I am the founder director of Y1 Edu Solutions. We are a software solution provider company for education institutions pan India. We are registered Microsoft partner, and we empower technology for education institutions, teachers, students and parents. We also have 100% recyclable paper products. We are a manufacturing unit as well as sale in regards to the 100% recyclable products. What we do is we ensure that we sustain our mother earth and protect our nature. So use recyclable products and protect our nature. Thank you.
Founder and CEO of Y1 Edu Solutions. We've been a social conscious firm actively involved in promoting 100% recycled paper products for our country. Regular conventional paper products are typically made out of wood pulp, basically taken from the plantation. Plantations are monoculture that often displays our native forest. So our product, which is 100% recycled paper product, is an eco-friendly product. By using a product which really saves nearly 17 trees, 40,000 liters of water, 750 kilowatts of energy. That's good enough for powering up 6 months of electricity for a regular home. Go Green, start adopting a product. Go Green.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನವೀನ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ Y1 Edu Solutions ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದಂತೆ ಇದೊಂದು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ 60 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 60 ವಿಧವಾದ ಇತರ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 100% ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಪುನರುತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡಿಯೋದನ್ನು ತಡಿಬಹುದಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾನು ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ನನಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.